Saab Gripen is one of the 8 contenders for the Indian Air Force's likely 114 multi-role fighter aircraft. Swedish defense technology major Saab has now announced that it has partnered with local manufacturers to rapidly indigenize the platform. If selected, it will also deliver the first Gripen E, Gripen F fighter aircraft with significant indigenous content within 3 years of the order. It is also open to exploring manufacturing opportunities for the state-of-the-art fighter in India to serve local and global markets, along with a complete transfer of technology. The company can set up full-scale production in India, which will include everything, not just the airframe, but also systems and software. They propose rapid indigenization supported by a host of private partners. Hello and welcome to News Affairs. Before we proceed further, we request our viewers to please subscribe this channel if you have not yet subscribed. If you find the video informative, please like and share the video. The Indian Air Force's 114 MRFA requirement was formally announced in April 2018 with a request for information. The Indian Navy also needed new fighter jets. As many as 8 aircraft responded to the RFI. These include the Boeing FA-18EF Super Hornet, Boeing F-15EX Eagle II, Lockheed Martin F-21, a variant of F-16V with 14 India-specific customizations, Dassault Rafale, Eurofighter Typhoon, Saab JAS-39, Gripen E, Gripen F, Mikoyan MiG-35 and Sukhoi Su-35. As per the Indian government policy, it was decided that all the jets would follow the Make in India policy and be manufactured in India's own production line. The contract was expected to be valued at around $20 billion. Technology transfer in collaboration with local partners was to complement the deal. However, nearly 6 years after the response to the RFI was received, the contract tender or the request for proposal has still to be sent out. As per reports, the Modi government fully backs the Indian Air Force's plans to acquire 114 multi-role fighter aircraft and is aware of the fighter squadron's depleting strength. The Saab JAS-39EF Gripen is a light single-engine supersonic multi-role fighter aircraft manufactured by the Swedish aerospace and defense company Saab AB. The Gripen has a delta wing and canard configuration, a relaxed stability design, and fly-by-wire flight controls. JAS-39E is a single-seat production version developed from the Gripen NG program, and JAS-39F is the two-seat version. JAS-39E and JAS-39F has a larger fuselage, a more powerful engine, increased weapons payload capacity, a new cockpit, avionics architecture, electronic warfare system, and other improvements. As of 2023, more than 300 Gripen variants have been built. There is a proposal of carrier-based versions of the Gripen E. There is also a proposed unmanned combat aerial vehicle variant of the Gripen E. Gripen EA is the proposed electronic warfare or electronic attack variant of the Gripen F. The aircraft has been sourced roughly 67% from Swedish or European suppliers and 33% from the United States. The engine, fuel and hydraulics are sourced from outside Sweden, albeit from global original equipment manufacturers. On the other hand, the avionics, software, mission computers, system integration, data and sensor fusion, and practically all others are indigenous. These include radar and electronic warfare systems and weapon systems. Sweden has offered to integrate Indian systems and weapons on the platform. Some operators have adopted the less expensive GE F414G power plant vis-a-vis the Eurojet EJ 200. The version on offer to India can have a more powerful and expensive Eurojet EJ200 engine. Saab Gripen had been a contender for the erstwhile MMRCA deal. But after nearly 15 years, the technologies offered on the Gripen E are the latest. One plus point is that all operators have access to Gripens' source code and technical documentation, allowing for upgrades and new equipment to be independently integrated. Saab has pledged to fully transfer Gripen E technology to India if it is awarded the contract. However, some in India have been concerned about the high level of United States supplied hardware such as electronics, weaponry and GE F414 engine. In conclusion, let us understand that the necessity of 114 additional fighters is very clearly spelled out. The starting point is the issuing of the RFP. Once the request for proposal responses are received, the chances are that many, if not most, will meet the technical specifications. To save time, the extent of evaluation would have to be decided. The commercial consideration and level of technology transfer on offer would decide the ultimate winner. Which one of the given options do you think most likely qualify for MRFA? Please leave a comment in the comment box, and thanks for watching the video. Jai Hind!